Hi guys, Ameya here and welcome to Want to Learn Programming. This is the 27th video in the series Basics of C Programming. In this video, we will look at what are pointer operations. Now let's start with pointer arithmetic. Pointer arithmetic refers to arithmetic operations in pointers. That is, some addition, subtraction, increment and decrement operators can be used on pointers. So we will look at how increment and decrement operators are used in pointers in this video. The operations depend upon the size of the variable. For size of the variable, let's look at this table. The size of the variable for different variables are: for char it's 1 byte, for integer it is 4 bytes, for floating point variables it is 4 bytes, and for double it is 8 bytes. So the size of the variables might increase or decrease based on what bit machine that you are using. So let's look at how increment operation works in pointers in C. The increment of a pointer will move the pointer location to the next location of the variable. For example, if a pointer ptr is pointing to an integer variable and its value is 2000, that is the location of variable integer is 2000, then after increment its value will become 2004, because as we saw the size of integer is 4 bytes, then the increment operator on the pointer will not increase the size from 2000 to 2001, but it will move to the next location, that is 2004. Similarly, if the pointer ptr is pointing to a double variable with its value 4000, then after increment its value will become 4008, because 8 bytes get added to it. Like we saw in the size of variables chart, double is 8 bytes, so 8 bytes get added to 4000, not 1. So this increment operator does not increase the size of location by 1, but it increases the size by the variable size of what the pointer is pointing to. The syntax is as similar, that is ptr++. Basically, this increment operation is used to move to the next value in an array. So if the pointer ptr is pointing to first index of the array a of 0, then using the increment operation, we can move to the next array element, that is a of 1. So increment operator is used in this case. Similarly, for decrement operation, the decrement of a pointer will move the pointer location to the previous location of that variable. That is, for example, if a pointer ptr is pointing to an integer variable, then its value is 2000, then after decrement its value will become 1996. That is, if variable a is present in location 2000 and if the pointer p is pointing to a, then ptr will be having value as 2000. But if we use the ptr decrement operation, its value will not become 1999, but it will become 1996, because a variable is integer and the value of integer is 4 bytes. So 2000 minus 4 is 1996. Similarly, for a double variable, if its value is 4000, that is the pointer ptr's value is 4000, then the decrement operator will decrease its value not to 3999 but to 3992, because the size of double variable is 8 bytes. So the syntax for decrement operator is the same, that is ptr minus minus. Basically, this is used to move to the previous value of the array. If a pointer ptr is pointing towards the fifth index in the array a of 4, then decrementing the pointer will move the pointer location to a of 3. That is one step behind. So if you like this video, click on like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will look at how arrays are used in functions. Thank you.